Hello, my name is Timo Gessmann. Today I want to show you our next new portfolio regarding humanoid robotics. As Schank, we not only provide components for industrial robots, for cobots, for HGVs and AMRs. Nowadays we also provide our components, like the humanoid hand, for humanoid robotics. In the new field of humanoid robotics, we see a huge chance to optimize flexible production processes. So compared to an industrial robot or a cobot, which is installed in a fixed place, the humanoid robots has a chance to be very flexible in doing their processes, like industrial manufacturing, like assembly, but of course also later on in service robotics. And what we found out is that it's crucial to have a very flexible mechanical device like our humanoid hand, and also the skills by using of artificial intelligence to know how to grasp and how to handle objects in the physical world. Therefore, we are developing new software solutions called Physical AI to make the robot able to use a very flexible hand like our hand, and also to have the grasping skills to adapt and interact with the physical environment. We also have strong partnerships by developing our software solutions together, like with NVIDIA, to make it easy for our customers to use our products and to gain productivity in the field of production, manufacturing, and all kinds of other solutions. By using our products not only for industrial robots, cobots, but also for humanoids, and make the life easier and more productive by using humanoid robots together with our end-of-arm tools. Looking forward to our collaboration.